What's up, boys? So for prep, we got two movements here. The first one is called the Jefferson curl. Alright. So grab yourself a light weight. Alright, anything you got at home you can use. Toes will be hanging off right here. I'm gonna arch my back. Let this weight take me down to the floor. Squeeze my glutes. And slowly come back up. Pull my shoulder blades back. Look at the ceiling. Alright? Let's get it going. Come back up. Arch down. Okay? So you want to create length in your lower back when you do that. Okay, so that's a Jefferson curl. You do that 25 times. Alright, as soon as you're done with that, alright, find some space on the floor, some Jane Fondas or leg lifts. Alright, so we're laying on the side like so. Alright, I want to make sure that shoulders and hips are stacked like so, okay? Core is engaged, you get your full range of motion right here. Alright, lifting up, as high as that leg will go, controlling it on the way back down. Alright, we're going for 25 reps on each side. Alright, as soon as you're done with those two, go ahead and repeat it. We got 2 rounds of that. Alright? Alright, boys, so for foundation, we got one exercise here, okay, that you're gonna do for a total of 60 seconds. So we're starting off in plank position. We're gonna do a toe touch. So I'll bring my hand towards my toe on one side, same thing on the opposite side, and then you do a walking out. Okay, so I'm walking my hands out a couple steps as long as I can before I fall. Bring it back in, repeat. Okay? Boom, 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 boom. The whole time we're doing that, I want you to try to keep your hips nice and square with the floor. Here, I'm not shifting too much. Walk out, bring it back in. Okay, so you'll do that for 60 seconds. Once you finish, rest for 30, and then repeat again for 60 seconds. All right, get it in. All right, boys, so it is kind of a conditioning and endurance day. So our strength is gonna be a little bit cardiovascular, but we'll still get some good muscle activation in. Okay, so the first movement we're doing, all right, is called a squat burpee. It's a donkey kick. So you'll need some wall space or something hard to kind of put your feet on. All right, and then after that we have tuck jumps. All right, so set your timer on your phone for 16 minutes. We're doing every 2 minutes on the minute, so you'll have 2 minutes to do the following exercises, 8 times both. All right, let me give you a couple reps for the first one. So it's here, squat up, go down, hands go out, feet go up, and we're back. Here, 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 okay? Try to stick that landing right here. Hold for a second. Here. Make sure when you're going down, hands are directly underneath your shoulders. You're not too far out here, okay? So you have 8 of those. As soon as you're done with that, give me 8 tuck jumps. So you're loading it up. Bring your heels to your butt. Bring your heels to your butt. Bring your heels to your butt. All right, so you have 2 minutes to get all of that done. The remaining time you have after you finish is yours to rest. All right, so once that timer goes from 16 to 14, you start again, 12, 10, 8, all the way down to 0. All right, so that's strength for the day. Work hard, let's get it. All right, y'all, so for motor, we've done this before. Get yourself one of your medium resistance bands. All right, make sure it's wrapped up around the post so it's not moving. Okay, so you're here, wrapping that around your waist. Start with minimal resistance. I want you to take 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. That's 1 down and back. Here's 2 down and back. Here's 3 down and back. Okay? So taking a couple steps down and back. You got 15 facing one direction, and then I got 15 facing the other direction, and that'd be 1 set. Okay, so you'll have a total of 3 sets for the entirety of the section. Once you're finished with that, you're done for the day. okay? So in between whole sets, take about a minute's rest, grab some water, all right? Get back at it, nice and tough. Again, make sure when you're bear crawling, hands are underneath shoulders, knees directly underneath hips, all right? Y'all should know how to do that pretty well by now. Work hard, let's get it in.